Mr. Zhong's success story has attracted widespread attention within the industry. More and more enterprises have begun to adopt the automation solutions of ECOA.
ECOA Automation actively participates in industry exhibitions and seminars to share successful experiences.
Establish strategic cooperative relationships with real estate developers, property management companies, and other parties to jointly promote energy-saving solutions. Continuously develop new technologies and products, and steadily improve energy-saving effects and user experience.
ECOA Automation is committed to creating a smarter, more efficient, and sustainable office building environment.
Promote the transformation of the entire industry toward green and energy-saving development, and contribute to jointly creating a better future. If you also want to launch an energy-saving revolution for your office building, please contact us.
Get an exclusive free energy-saving diagnosis plan.
Let us join hands to create a new era of green energy conservation.
This story looks to the future, calls for action, encourages more enterprises to participate in energy-saving renovations, and jointly promotes the development of the industry.